All right, this year's monsoon's rain kind of destroyed my house. I thought we'd take a little video of it. It washed in this side of the property. And it washed out the wall right here behind the weeds. Let's go inside and take a look. And here we go. What's left of I haven't cleaned up. You can see the watermarks are about 6 feet up the wall. There's the inside of the living room. Kitchen area. Building's not quite safe anymore. So we're at, let's have a look here. I'm 6 foot, so. But the wall fall in here gives the opportunity to see the odd construction. Now, for a number of, been telling people that I'm living in some weird experimental house that's not built according to regular construction methods. What it has is these two lines of rebar, one in the center and one at the top, or one at the bottom, one in the center, and the top was actually the water line was up there all the way around the house. So we have these iron rings, as it were, going around the house so it didn't fall in there. And in between was hollow spaces in the brick, which I was sound insulating. And what it is they're set up in this honeycomb fashion so that the bricks are offset between the layers slightly, exposing a sort of honeycomb tube through there. And it makes a folded up, extremely long tube, and puts out about a 2.9 hertz signal on the bottoms. And there's a different hertz signal between the window sills in that hollow space. And frequencies below 20 hertz will affect your physical being. And I have reasoning for that, some rationale. We can, you perceive sound as a, both a compression wave in the air and also an electromagnetic wave, because it's moving charges. Moving charges will generate a radio signal. So there's a subtle, like, electro audio effect that's just built into the universe. And that is just part of your extra sensory information that you receive. And so when your mind is pulling parts of your body, say your feet, and back and forth, it will produce a low tone. And when it's pulling your eyes, say, back and forth, it's producing a higher tone. And so you have these below the audio sort of tones going on all the time in your body. And when the external environment pushes on that hard enough for you to perceive it, it can affect your physical being. So this seems to be some sort of experiment with that. And as far as I could tell, a church supposedly built it, but I can't find out who the church is, and I can't find out who the original builders are. I've known that it's weird for a while, but finally, like, I can actually show people what I was talking about. And I'll talk a little more later about it.